Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, As-salatu was-salamu ala Rasulihil Kareem. Amma ba'ad, fa'auzu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim. Rabbi yassir wa la tu'assir wa tammim bil khair. Wa bika nasta'inu ya fattahu, ya fattahu, ya fattahu. Rabbi shrah li sadri wa yassir li amri wa hlul uqdatam min lisani yafqahu qawli. Allahumma faqihna fid din. Ameen. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I hope and pray that you all are doing good, inshallah. So today is our lesson 64 from the course Let's Learn Arabic Grammar. And we will continue to do irregular surf. And now our topic, we are moving on to a new topic, which is new type of words, which is Naqis. So Naqis, inshallah, today we are going to first learn what is Naqis, introduction, and then we are going to do the irregularities or the changes that occur with these words, Naqis words in Mazid Fihi families. Okay, so these are the introduction is small, obviously. So this is the main topic for today's video. Okay, so what is Naqis? Naqis is a word in which the third root letter is either Waw or Ya. Okay, so third root letter is Lam Kalma, you know. So those words that they have either Ya or Waw as the third root letter, then those are Naqis. This means that this irregularity affects the endings of words. So if a word is a Naqis, the changes we would have to make is at the ending of the word. Okay. Naqis irregularity affect almost every sigha in every family. So this is not like misal or misal or mahmuz, in which we have very few changes we needed to make. Here, the irregularity is occurring in almost every sigha and in almost every family. Okay, but the good news is that these changes occur. These changes are very consistent. So if we know, if you learn a handful of overarching rules, so if you know the overarching rules for Naqis irregularity, for example, in Mazid Fihi, you know the rules, and then later you know the rules for Mujarrad families, then you, inshallah, you will master the Naqis irregularity. Moving on to, okay, moving on to the examples of Naqis. So Naqis examples you can see in Quran, Hada, Yahdi. So the root letter is Ha, Da, and Ya. In Da'a Yad'u, the root letter would be Dal, Ain, and Waw. You know, Alif can never be a root letter. Okay, so these were the few examples of Naqis. Now we are coming to the main big topic for today, which is Naqis in Mazid Fihi family. Naqis in Mazid Fihi families. And the thing is, because we have a short session, so we are not going to do Sarf Kabir today. We are limiting ourselves to Sarf Saghir, okay? But we are going to do Naqis in all Mazid Fihi families, all 8 big families, from 2 to 10 except 9, okay? So first thing is that whether it's a Naqis Wawi or it's a Naqis Yai. The changes are same in Mazid Fihi family. Remember when you did Misal Wawi and Misal Yai, the changes were different. But here in Naqis, whether the last letter is Waw or Ya, the changes are same, consistent. Okay. Coming to the principle or the rules that govern these surf changes. The rules are divided into two types: general rules and family specific rules. So general rules for all the 8 families, and then some family specific rules. Now we take the general rules first. Okay. First, the general rules, and in general rules, what type of words, what type of siga are affected. There are general rules for past tense, fe'l madin, present tense, fe'l mudare, the doer form, ism fa'il, and the done to form, ism maf'ul. Okay, so four type of words have general rules for all 8 big families. 2 to 10 except 9. Okay. Now, what happens in past tense or in all big families with Naqis? What happens? What happens that the past tense always end in, let me take a different color. The past tense always end in alif maqsura, short alif. Short alif. And let me tell you, when you read the Quran, if you find this ya without a dot, no dot, I'm putting a dot and then removing it. Okay. If you see a ya without dots, it is short alif. It is not a ya. Okay. And in some mushaf, you will see a small fatha stand like this you can say like Ustad says dagger alif. Okay, so this you either you will find just this ya without any any dots, or you see ya with this alif, short alif. So this is alif, this is not ya. So past tense in Naqis, in all Mazid Fihi families, past tense ends in alif maqsura. The present tense also has a general rule. In all families except family 5 and 6, all families end in ya. So family 2, family 3, family 4, family 7, 8, and 10, they end in ya. The present tense end in ya. But only 5 and 6, in family 5 and 6, the present tense end in again alif maqsura, short alif. Okay. Coming back to the third type of word, which is ism fa'il. Ism fa'il ends in 2 kasra, in. Always ends in. And this in represent the kasra of ism fa'il. You know, in Mazid Fihi family, all the doer form have kasra on ayn kalma, right? Muslimun, muallimun, muqtaribun, right? So taribun, muqtaribun, muslimun, muallimun, mujahidun. So they have kasra on ayn kalma. So this you will be seeing 2 kasra at the end. And then ism maf'ul, you have 2 fatha at the end. This ya is not ya. This is just the chair of two fatha. Okay. So this is how musamman. Okay. Mutazakkiyan. Musamman. Mulqan. That kind of thing. Okay. So inshallah, this is about general rules. These are not family specific. These are general rules. Now coming to the family specific rules. And in family specific rule, these rules are mostly about masdar form. Okay, so mostly about masdar form. These specific family specific rules are mostly about masdar form. You know, in Mazid Fihi families, the masdar every family has a masdar pattern, even in regular surf, right? So here also, with Naqis irregularity, the masdar of have a special pattern. And in families 3, 4, 7, 8, and 10, the masdar ends in long alif, alif mamduda. And you will find alif, masdar ending in alif and hamza. Okay. So what are those families in which the masdar comes, masdar ends in alif and long alif? It is jahada, aslama, inqalaba, iqtaraba, and istaghfara. In jahada, you have two masadar. Two masadar, right? So masadirani, right? So you have two masdar, and first masdar has the ending long alif. The other masdar has ta marbuta. Okay. Now the masdar of family 2 and the second masdar of family 3 and in ta marbuta. And the family 5 and 6, they end in fathatan, two fatha. Not like ism file, it is two fatha. Here there is misprinting. Actually, it is two fatha. Tazakiyan, taradiyan. Okay, two fatha. Okay, now since we just did the general rule and the family specific rule, now we are taking families one by one and see what are these changes. Okay, see where are those changes. Let's first take the general changes. Okay, so this is family 2, and you know the root letter is Sin, Mim, and Ya. So past tense has, look, past tense has alif maksura, short alif, no dots, okay, short alif. Present tense has ya, present tense ending in ya, past tense ending in short alif, ism file ending in, and ism maf'ul ending in an. Now the family specific rule, which is about masdar. So masdar of family 2 in Naqis irregularity ends in ta marbuta. Okay. So it comes to samma yusammi tasmiyatan fahuwa musammin. Summa yusamma tasmiyatan fahuwa musamman. Al-amru minhu sammi wa nahi anhu la tusammi wa zarfu minhu musamman. Okay. And let's take one by one. This musammin, ism fa'il. So if you go to the regular surf of family 2, that is allama yu'allimu ta'aliman fahuwa mu'allimun. So on the pattern of mu'allimun, actually it would have been musammiyun. Okay. Yeah, should be like this. Okay, musammi musammiyun. Okay. But ya is a weak letter. So it cannot carry two fatha. Sorry, two dhamma. So dhamma is two dhamma is drop, and this ya is also drop. And because ya corresponds to a kasra, whenever we do the surf changes, ya is interchangeable with a kasra. So we drop the kasra and we put an extra kasra here. So it becomes musammin. Musammin. Okay. So that's how ism file is. And as far as Fail Amr is concerned, Fail Amr you make from anta form. Just suppose this is anta form. To some me. Okay? To some me. So what do you do when you make when you turn the anta form of Fail Mudare into commanding fail? You drop the ta, the symbol of mudare, and then you make it lightest. How do you make it lightest in Naqis? In Naqis, you make it lightest with dropping of this weak letter. When you drop this weak letter, it becomes lightest, majzoom. So it comes to sammi, sammi. So this sammi is a commanding fail, and we say this is fail amr mabni ala hazafi harfi illa, because this weak letter harfi illa is dropped, is hazaf. You just hazaf it. So like you deleted, you drop the weak letter. So sammi is fail amr mabni ala hazafi harfi illa. And in forbidding also the same, you drop the ya, but you keep the ta. You keep ta, the symbol of mudare. So la tusammi. Okay, that's how you do the ta'lilat. Ta'lilat means the changes you need to make because of irregular surf. Those are called ta'lilat. Okay, now coming to the third family. Here, the root letter is, you know, this aleph is coming from this extra aleph coming from the family. So the root letters are Noon, Dal, and Ya. Now coming to the general changes, which we usually use do with the red color. So past tense has alif maksura, present tense has ending in ya. Ism fa'il ending in in sound, and ism maf'ul ending in an. And you have family specific rule about its masadar. The first masdar ending in alif and hamza with fatatan, and the second masdar ending in ta marbuta. Okay, so these blue changes are family specific changes, and the red changes are general rules. Okay, so nada yunadi nidaan wa munadatan fahuwa munadin. Nudiya yunada nidaan wa munadatan fahuwa munadan. Al-amru minhu nadi wa nahi anhu la tunadi wa zarfu minhu munadan. So as a matter of fact, this ism zarf ism zarf also has a general, we can say that ism zarf is also included in the general rule because it always follows the, in Mazid Fihi family, the ism zarf always follow ism maf'ul pattern. So munadan, okay? And in almost every family, it's not just the third family, all Mazid Fihi family, the zarf, ism zarf follows the ism maf'ul pattern. So far, so good. Okay, coming to the next family. Here again, identify the root letters and what are the extra, what is the extra, which one is the extra letter coming from family. So this Hamza Qat'i is coming from family. Family 4, Bab Aslama, Bab Afala, okay? And the root letters are Lam, Qaf, and Ya. Okay. Now coming to the general changes. Past tense ending in short alif, present tense ending in Ya, ism file ending in, ism maf'ul ending in an, ism, ism zarf also taking the same pattern of ism maf'ul. Now the family specific rule about pertaining to masdar. So masdar in this family, family 4, ends in alif and hamza with fathatain. Okay, ilqaan. So aslama yuslimu islaman fahuwa muslimun. So here with dam, qaf and ya, alqa yulqi ilqan fahuwa mulqin. Then passive line, ulqiya yulqa ilqan fahuwa mulqan. Al-amru minhu alqi wa nahi anhu la tulqi wa zarfu minhu mulqan. Okay. We are not doing the Sarf Kabir. Inshallah, in next few lessons, we will be doing every we are going to take every form like past tense. Then we do the Sarf Kabir of past tense. Then we take the present tense. Then we do the Sarf Kabir of present tense. And so we are going to do that inshallah in next few lessons, not today. Okay. So coming to family 5, and family 5 has two family specific rule. But before going to family specific rule, first let's see this ta is coming from the family. So the root letters are za, kaf, and ya. So now coming back to the general rule. Now you are going to say, what is it? What is this? Yes, past tense ending in short alif, which is across the family, all across the family. But in family 5, this is a family specific rule that the present tense also end in alif maksura. So I'm not this, because this is family specific rule, I'm not going to color it with red. Okay, so past tense ending in alif, short alif, ism file ending in, ism maf'ul ending in an. So these are the three general rule changes. And then we have a specific family specific rule, which is the present tense ending again in alif, short alif, and the masdar is on the pattern of tazakkiyan, tafa'ilan, tazakkiyan. So this is about the family 5. Because the present tense ending in short alif and it sounds like yatazakka. So the faili amr also end in fatha. Tazakka. Tazakka la tatazakka. Okay. Tazakka la tatazakka. You can pause the video and say this surf circuit 2 times and then unpause. Okay. So moving on to the next, sixth family. And again, sixth family has 3 general rules and 2 family specific rules. And here, you know, this ta and this alif is coming from the family. So the root letters are ra, dod, and ya. Okay, now general rule, past tense, ending in short alif, ism file, ism maf'ul. Then the general rule, the masdar form ending in an, taradiyan. Okay, and the present tense is ending in short alif. So tarada, yatarada, taradiyan. Tarada, yatarada, taradiyan, fahuwa mutaradin. Fahuwa mutaradin. Turudiya, yutarada, taradiyan, fahuwa mutaradan. Al-amru minhu tarada, والنهي عنه لا تتراضى فالظرف منه مترادا. Again, again the present tense ending in short alif, that's why the letter before has fatha. So the fi'l amr and fi'l nahi, they end in fatha. Tarada, la tatarada. Okay. Now moving on to the 7th family. It seems like if we do all the families, 8 families in one setting, it seems like a very long class. But let's take it to the family 10, inshallah. Okay, family 7. Here, family 7, again, the letters that are coming from family is this alif and noon. Okay, and actual letters are ba, ghain, and ya. And you know the general rules are, again, past tense, present tense, ism file, no ism maf'ul in family 7, no passives, but the zarf has the same pattern as ism maf'ul. Okay, so imbaga, yambagi, imbighan. And family specific rule about masdar is, and it ends in long alif with hamza. So imbighan, imbaga, yambagi, imbighan, fahuwa mumbaghin. Al-amru minhu imbagi la wa nahi anhu la tambagi wa zarfu minhu mumbaghan. Okay, so this is 7th, and now the 8th one. 8th one, this is bab ifti'al, but we also call it iqtaraba family. So look, the root letters are fa, ra, and ya, because ta and this ta and alif is coming from family. Okay, so the again general rule, and past tense ending in ya, present tense ending in past tense ending in alif maksura, short alif, present tense ending in ya, ism file ending in, and ism maf'ul ending in an. And family specific rule about masdar iftira'an. Okay, So iftara yaftari iftira'an fahuwa muftarin. Ufturiya yuftara iftira'an fahuwa muftaran. Al-amru minhu iftari wa nahyanhu la taftari wa zarfu minhu muftaran. Here you have kasra at the end in commanding and forbidding. Okay, because the present tense ending in ya. So yaftari is the present form fi'l mudare. So it is the amr form has kasra at the end. Iftari, la taftari. Then from family 8, we are moving on to family 10 because we, family 9 has very few words that came in Quran, so we usually don't do. Here in family 10, you can see that the first 3 letters are from family. So the actual root letters are Sin, Qaf, and Ya. So again, this the same general rules. Present tense ending in short alif. No, not present. Did I say present? No. The past tense ending in short alif. Present tense ending in ya. Ism file ending in. Ism maf'ul ending in an. So these are the general rules. Four word form have general rules for Mazid Fihi family with Naqis. Okay. And then for family specific rule, we have about Masdar. So family 10 Masdar ending in Alif and Hamza with Fataten. So it comes to istasqa, yastasqi, istisqa'an, fahuwa mustasqin. Ustusqiya, yustasqa, istisqa'an, fahuwa mustasqan. Al-amru minhu istasqi, wa nahi anhu la tastasqi. Wa zarfu minhu mustasqan. Okay. So this is the end of Mazid Fihi families with Naqis irregularity, and today we did only the Sarf Saghir. We didn't do Sarf Kabir of any form. Okay, so today we did Naqis in Mazid Fihi family Sarf Saghir. Okay. So this is the end of the lesson, and here are the exercises. We are going to do Sarf Saghir of all these words, inshallah, in our live session. If you have any question, you can ask me. Okay, so let's make dua at the end of our lesson. Subhanakallahumma wa bihamdika nashhadu an la ilaha illa anta nastaghfiruka wa natubu ilaik. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.